Alright, this is Airhorn Golf. I'm on the golf course right now. And a bunch of bushes. And we're gonna get blowing in when the golfers are teeing off the tee box. Josh and Ryan are over there in the bushes. These people should be approaching the tee box right now. Oh, there's Josh. I'm gonna come up right now. Shit, that almost hit me. Oh my god. Oh my god, that golf ball almost fucking hit me. That guy's probably gonna come looking for his ball. Oh shit. Oh god, that guy's jamming it. Oh. That guy's gonna come look for his golf ball, so I don't want to get too close. Holy shit. Nice shot, buddy. What was that? Ah, fuck. It's so pokey over here. That ball he shanked almost hit me. Holy crap. Camera's shaking. I'm shaking. I'm running over. That ball almost fucking hit me. It was fucking a foot away from me. Holy shit.
Curry's up back over there. He's gonna get him again.
There's people over there. Get ready. Curry's over there. Got to get him. That ball almost fucking...
Are you still on the same video?
There's a black guy over there. Yeah.
Did you see that guy?
Dude, that guy was pissed. That ball almost hit me, dude. Wait. Oh shit, that kid's pointing at me.
Go here, give me the camera, give me the camera.
Go videotape. That was so good.
Curry, where you at?
I thought he was gonna get his golf ball that landed right next to him, trying to get the hell out of there.
Curry's way down there, dude.
That guy like jabbed at you with his golf club. That guy jabbed at you with his golf club. Fucking Curry. Give me this.
You're like in plain sight.
As much as it goes. There's gonna be more people teeing off. Dude, I was scared because I...
Curry's booking, dude.
Is he really?
Hey, come videotape Curry.
Curry. Curry, there's more people coming up on this tee box. That was good though. We'll get him in the same video. Holy shit, dude, that ball he shanked over here almost hit me. He was a foot away from me. And I like had to move because I thought he would grab it, go get his ball, and I didn't want to seem like...
Randy went on the course and the kid pointed at him.
Yeah.
I was like, I went over there, keep videotaping.
That guy was so pissed.
Is there really a black guy coming?
There's two more people coming.
There are?
Yeah, they're about to be here in a second. Anybody want to go on the golf course and tape it?
Nah, dude, I'm not wearing the proper colors.
Curry's not too bad.
The kid seen me through the bushes.
Did he really?
Yeah,
I really ran across the golf course and that kid pointed at me.
Alright, dude, get back on, Randy. Just go.
Where they at?
I don't think there's anyone else.
Hey, should I make a new video? No, there's two people. I swear they're on the second green over here, the first green over here.
Alright, yeah, just make another video.
Alright, that was the first air horn golf video. That was good. Give me some. Alright.